Hi everyone, welcome to English Yes channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a short vowel sound U, as in word foot. You can also hear the sound in the words like could, full, cook, would. This sound is presented by this symbol. Let's find out how to make the sound. To pronounce the U sound, you should focus the right position of your tongue and lips. Open your mouth slightly. Round your lips little and push them forward. The back of your tongue and your jaw should be go up a little. Keep your tongue relaxed and low in your mouth. Now say the sound U. 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 Listen and repeat after me. U. U. Now let's practice this sound with some words. Put, could, sugar, push, cookie, fulfill, fully, pull, pulley, book, took, wolf, look, should, pudding, stood, pull, goodness, couldn't, looking, shouldn't. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.